We welcome you all in the today's webinar series of online exam. I am Chandra Bisht. Along with me, we have Mr. Sumit Paliwal. We are here to discuss on the topic, which is we have Moodle. We don't need an online exam portal, really. So today we are discussing on this question that we have raised. Before that, I would like to add one point is that we had a lot of questions coming our way from our clients that we are facing a lot of issues due to conduct an online exam. And most of the people are using Moodle. So here we are to discuss all the challenges that you all are facing in your way to conduct an online exam. So moving on to the slide, first we have what Moodle provides for online exam and assessment. We are talking about the Moodle features like first question authoring. Moodle provides rich text editor or different images to create the questions for online exam. Next, we have variety of types. Moodle provides the variety of question types, MCQ, true and false, and other varieties. Next, they have detailed reporting and logs. There are many different types of logs and reports available in the Moodle. Teacher can see and can have the access of all the information within the course for each event and process during an online exam. Next, the feature they have is responses analysis. Moodle can analyze all the students who have attended their exams. They have the complete data about that. Next, they have online question bank. So what is missing? Now we are discussing about what is missing in Moodle. Why online exam is not successful in Moodle and what is missing. So let's go through it one by one. They do not have powerful online exam designer. The challenge with Moodle is that Moodle does not have easy to use a powerful online designer to create an online exam. Next, the issue they are missing is that lockdown browser. It is important that lockdown browser should be installed in each and every student's system. So there should be fair and smooth flow of an organization, of an examination. Next we have is question navigation. It is very difficult with Moodle to allow their students to go back and go forward within the pages during an exam. They do not provide the live chat support system to their students. Live proctoring is also very important. To enable the smooth flow of online exam, Education Institute must use live proctoring tools, which will be continuously monitoring the student's activity while she may be giving the exams. Next, moving to the next is exam scheduler. It is difficult with a Moodle to schedule the exam to start time to end time for different batches during the time zone and online exam timing. Last is exam controller. There should be an authorized and autonomous body who will be continuously working as a controller to control the examination. Moving on to the next, they do not support open-ended questions and evaluations. Automatic reporting is also the issue with Moodle. Once the student has done their exam, it should be report directly sent to the faculties of an organization, education institutes. Next, easy and advanced scoring with multiple dimensions is also the challenge with Moodle. Power and internet failure outcome. Power and internet is the issue that many of the African institutions and universities, college are facing. They have the limited or they have the disruption internet connectivity. So Moodle is also not fulfilling the power and internet issues. Next is secure submission. The submission of the student exam should be securely hosted. It should be encrypted. The last we have reported is timer. Once the student is giving his or her exam, there should be timer in front of the student who states them how much time is left with them and how much time has been passed, so that they have a clear picture how much time they should give to which question. Now moving on to the next slide, we are going to talk about necessities to make your exam successful. What all features you will be required within the online exam to make it successful and manage cheat-proof exam. First is lockdown browser. Their lockdown browser has created a buzz during the COVID because to conduct the online exam, lockdown browser should be installed and should used by each and every universities, those who are planning to conduct an online exam. So online exam, that is lock down the exam environment within specific learning and assessment system. When lockdown browser is used during an online exams, students are unable to go to other URLs, switch applications, take snapshots, copy questions, or print. Lockdown restricts students to do all the unnecessary activities during an exam. Next is concurrent users to handle. It is very difficult for the universities to handle all the students in a one go. It must be advisable, or it must be important thing that organization should kept in a mind that they should conduct exam for few students at a time. They should conduct exam for 100 to 500 students in a one go, or other in next time or in a next day, so that they can be easily manage their concurrent users. Stable internet and bandwidth. As we stated earlier, bandwidth is the major issue. If students does not have the stable bandwidth, it would be difficult for them to prepare the exam, to do the exam. It must be very important that internet bandwidth should be stable from the student ends as well as from the organization or the faculty's end.
So
next is a backup plan.
Chandra, sorry to interrupt you here.
After following all certain rules, regulations, or steps, if the education university are not able to do the organization as prescribed manner as stated earlier, then they should have the plan B. Live proctoring. As we all know that live proctoring is very important to conduct the smooth flow of the organization. Now moving on to the next we have is user experience. Since the students are giving the exam for the first time, so that their interference should be easily and managed by the students, or so that they do not find any difficulties while giving their exam. Interface should be user friendly. Next is life support to students. There are many students who are facing a lot of challenges while doing their exam. There should be dedicated team who are continuously working or continuously helping students to mitigate or to resolve their issues while they are doing their exam. Next is cheating prohibition. Cheating should not be allowed in the exam. Education institutes should have taken the major steps so that they can prohibit it or mitigate cheating while conducting an exam. Next we have compliance and audit trails. There are certain rules and regulations led by the Ministry of Education.
So Chandra, I was I wanted to add all of you as well. When she's talking
So
about
there must be a lot of
Chandra,
compliance and audit trail. All the Ministry of Education has laid down the various rules, regulation, and policies, which all universities, institutes, and schools must follow before they conducting an exam.
I'm sorry, all of you. There's certain problem happening today. I'm not sure what is the challenges in the technical side. There's a bit problem on the Zoom side. We are facing some challenges here. In the meanwhile, they are again sharing the screen. Yes, we understand, Abdullah, that screen is not getting shared. There's some challenges actually we are facing right now in Zoom webinar. And I hope all of you can hear me as well. So I would like to add actually when she's talking about the certain features, certain features.
Yeah, we were
Chandra, you
discussing
can.
about the compliance and
Yes,
audit
Chandra.
trails. That I was
Go ahead.
discussing that there are certain rules and the various rules and regulations which has been led by the Ministry of Education, which all the universities should follow before they are conducting an online exam. Last, now we are talking about the MLMU online exam features. So here we are listed the few features which MLMU online exam platform is giving. First one is that it's easy to use, powerful, and online exam designer. We supported multi-language. Let us know if you need any other language. We'll integrate in our system. Next, we have automatic reporting. When the exam is over, the detailed report is ready for the institutions or organization. Next, both assess and collect data. You can both ask questions that affects exam scores and collect data within the same exam. Next features that MLMU is giving is group pages and questions. You can group a set of pages or questions so that you can see as a different part in your reports. We do provide rich text or images. Benefits of rich text editors and images to clarify and beautify the images and question so that it would easy for the students to understand the question. Next is several question types. Drop down to multiple choice, text to rating scales. We offer you the question types that you need. Next features is open-ended questions and evaluation. You can ask open-ended questions when the exam is over, evaluate the response, and your report is ready to go. Next is easy and advanced scoring with multiple dimensions. Each question has its own points. However, questions may affect multiple dimensions with different multipliers. Then moving on to the next features is flexible responses, collective strategies. You can create a single link or many unique links for exams, access, or assign exams to user of your organization. Moving on to the next slide is navigating during an exam. You can allow users to go back and forth amongst the pages during an exam. Yes, we do provide the navigate during exam system in Melemu. Next is email invitations. You can invite your students or people by sending email invitations. You can schedule the email delivery as well. Next is random ordering of pages, questions, and choices. You can automatically randomize the questions of pages, questions, and choice of each respondent that access the test. Moving on to the next is random selection of pages and questions. You can prepare exams that ask different questions to each students that access the test. Organization and user management. This is also the very important features that states that you can create many organizations within the same company, create and assign users with login access. You can group users within the same organization. Collaboration, roles, and permission management. You assign different roles and organization. Users can collaborate with designing a test, collecting responses, and analyzing the various results. Report and export facilities. You can import or export users, exam responses, reports with ease with our system. Advanced time management. We also provide this first service. Features in our system is exam can be both free time or limited time. Time limitation can be both on exam level, page level, or even mixed. You can set different time limits for different pages. Last but not the least, date and time restrictions. You can set the date and time the exam will be available or will be expired. It will be pre-defined to the students. You can create several collectors and set different dates and time restrictions for each. Now, moving on to the next, if you have any questions, and you can write on our chat window. We are here to answer all these questions one by one. Also, you can email us, ask us @mlmu.com for your more questions.